Hey there everyone. So in this video we'll be talking about background resource and background color. So firstly, the background resource is to set an image as the background of a layout, while the background color is to set a color as the background of a layout. So let's look at them. Firstly, when we click on the background resource, it's we are to set an image there, and this image, I already have an image here. Let me show you where I got it from. In Sketchware is inbuilt with, it came with some images, icons that you will need. So you come to this option menu here, come down to the option menu here, then select image to import photos and icons. Click on that. Then it's this panel which is saying this project is showing the images I already imported in this project. And if you want to import new photos or icons to the project, you click here, select here. Okay, you could pick different colors, black, gray or white. So I'll just select this and save. It has been added. Then navigate back and click on our layout once again, then select background resource, then select the image we imported for background resource, then click on select. Alright, you can see all other widgets inside the linear layout are still having their icons and their look, but the background of the linear layout has been set to this image. Same way we can set the background color. Click background color, you select deep orange. Firstly, for that to work, we need to remove the background resource, which is the image. Set that to none. You can see that's, oh sorry, you can see this is working, and this color is too sharp. Let's set it to light blue. Alright, so you can see the background color has been changed. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video we'll talk about the rotate and the alpha properties. See you next time.